Let's move it. Come on, man. Get closer. Get closer. Now, last year, my man John Lander, who's not here anymore, we had him crowd surf because he couldn't fucking get it together last time. But last time we did it right. So what I want to do is I want to bring up John's replacement. Where's Ann? Where are you at, Ann? Get up here. We got a girl who's going to crowd surf, right? And I need everybody up here to help us out, right? Where are you at? Get her ass up here. Get your hands together like this. There you go, there you go. I'll tell you what. Bring it close, bring it close. We need your help right there. While we're waiting for her, I think I'm going to start it off, all right? You guys want to do some fucking crowd surfing? What up? Let's do it.